of one for the union.
Utongoria wa kiama kia arigitani wa KMPDU ni ureganite na ndeto ati kuri murwaru watiganirio thibitari-ini wa Coast General kaunti-ini ya Mombasa na GIKUO kuumana na wagi wa utungata, na murugamo wao ni ati murwaru ucio akuire akiamukira urigiti indi ti uria gukoretwo gukirwo. Kuringana na mwandiki munene kiama-ini giki ndagitari THUTHA, wagi wa indo njiganu cia gutangikira arwaru o hamwe na namba nini ya arigitani thibitari-ini uyu ni muhinga munene uracungiriria gwikururia kwa motungata.
That the neurosurgeons and the doctors who saw these particular patients have given history of the occurrences of the incident to the point of the death of this particular patient.
Ko tera ATETI ko marenda ukaruta wira wa ndagitari moke thibitari marute wira ucio kana matigare na ithue turute wira wito ore tuthomeire tondu wira wito ti wira wa ATETI arwaru wothe no muhaka matritwo uria mabaite.
KMPDU hamwe noguo morotete atongoria aria marageria kuingiria uteti ndeto eno magikinyiriria ati murugamiriri munene wa thibitari uyu ndari na uhoti o wothe wa gukinyaniria kurugamio kwa mihango ya urigiti.
Can county just respond to emotional display by politicians by just acting unjustly to this doctor? So it's our concern, because if they do today what they have done to the CEO who manages the hospital at Coast General Hospital, then there's no doctor who is safe.
Masini cia thoka, report cia heano county na county ni wira wao guthondeka na gwika repairs ya masini.
Maya mahanikite riri motungata thibitari-ini uyu wa Coast General mathararire kwa ihinda kurumirira mururungano uria ukinyaniirio ni muingi nja wa thibitari uyu, aikari makienda murugamiriri munene akorwo akihamurithio.
What we want is a total overhaul, kuanzia Kandawala na wale wote ambao wako in charge ya service delivery hapa waweze kuondolewa ili tuweze kupata huduma nzuri katika Coast General Hospital.
Namwambia President Ruto, kwa sani yako haya mambo uyaingilie.
Ona kuri uguo KMPDU ikinyanirie uthuthuria wigie ndeto eno ukinyanirio mbere ya matashukitie ikinya ria kugoma na guthararia motungata thibitari-ini uyu.
Doctors are not miracle workers. A broken healthcare system cannot be cured by roadside declarations.
It is not an activity or an action meant to punish the CEO, but to find a lasting solution.
Ngiribotera Kameme Kayuka Muingi Getwo wa Mbui wa Njuguna.